this is Patti Sheeley with BigFluffyPat.com, and today I'm going to talk about composting. This is I think the third installment of Patti Plants a Garden, and I did a lot of thinking of what I can do now to get ready for my garden, to plant my garden a month from now. And the first thing I want to do is address soil quality. And in my reading, one of the best ways to do that is compost. Now, compost is important. You might go, well, that's kind of basic. But the fact is, whenever it comes to weight loss, if our bodies aren't nourished, they're going to keep sending us the hungry signal, and that's the truth, and this is about telling you the truth. So I wanted to get my compost started as quickly as possible. Compost requires 3 elements. The first one is brown matter, the second one is green matter, and the third one is water, and other than that you need oxygen. But I thought, where's the quickest way, because if I use my cooking scraps of eggshells and fruits and vegetable peelings and that kind of stuff, it's going to take me forever to accumulate the right amount of stuff. So I took a drive out in the country, went to a local horse farm, and got some used bedding from a horse. Here it is. It doesn't smell quite as offensive as cow manure, but in that bedding is the brown material as far as the bedding. There's the green material, which is the poop, and there's actually moisture from the urine. So we've got all 3 elements right here in this, and most horse farms will actually give it away. One thing I would caution you about horse manure is, unlike cow or some of the other kinds of manures, it does have seeds that will germinate. So you want to make sure that your compost has plenty of time to break down and destroy those seeds. But the good thing about horse manure is, unlike cattle and some of the animals that are raised for food, horse owners generally want their animals to be healthy and long-lived. So you're going to get the product from a healthy animal that has a reasonable nutritional background. So that's the first element. The second element is pretty obvious, it's water. And the third element, this is something I put in that's an extra. This is azomite, and it is a mineral-rich stone that will break down during the process that the fermentation process, essentially, that the compost goes through. So I'm going to add my manure and my azomite and my water to this. This is an EcoCycle composter. There's a lot of brands of them, but this one is nice because it turns. So whenever you need to turn the device to get oxygen into your compost, it's very easy. You don't have to get in there and stir. And it also has a collecting bin at the bottom for the compost tea, which is very, very good for beginning to get your plants started and all that kind of stuff. It's very rich. So this is Patti Plants a Garden, and I'm going to get to work putting together my pieces. Thanks for joining me. So long.